Hey, Remi. Remi. She's so focused on you, she don't even know I'm even here. Hey. Hey, you know, silly.
That's why I told you, heard me say that story. I said, you know, the guy was watching me work a dog, and Nettie, you know, the guy says, geez, he's mean. And Nettie said, just watch him.
What? Keep watching.
Just watching him. And the dog's sitting there looking up at me like, what are we going to do next, boss? You know? And Nettie just said, see? It's just a matter of, it's just part of the game.
That dog is your buddy, so you must not be too mean, because they focus on you. And the granddad's been watching her for 6 months. She don't even pay attention to me.
I've been taking well, that's the all. We're gonna come from this way, but anyway, it's funny because guys I'll send their dog home, and their comment always is, well, it won't listen to me like that. And I said, that's because you're asking. And they look at me, what? I said, that's because you're asking. I said, this dog better come back if I tell it to. It's been through everything it needs to go through. So when you say, Remi, come.
Once they've learned. Oh, nice. Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
It does it, you know?
Yep.
I'm not going to ask it. Is it 100%? No. But I guarantee it's going to be in that 90 range.
Right.
Yep.
Good job.
So, how about? I'm trying to play the wind. I'm going to come at a crosswind.
All right.
If I'm correct.
It's where your flag is down there, right?
Yep. I just want to come down here and come this way, so
gotcha.
I can be close to the rope.
Sure.
So
sure.
If he wins or she wins it, I'm in a position to
can work with her. Yep.
And see what she does.
Well, she's quartering nicely.
If she holds up and holds point right there, I'm gonna pop it pretty quick. So
okay.
Like I said, you got more time than you need. Hey.
Did you put a string on it or no?
Not on this
okay.
one.
Okay.
This is mine.
Oh, that's your. Oh, gotcha.
Well, I didn't on yours either. But
okay.
That's all right. Next one, I'll work on one tighter on it. Don't even try, Remi.
What you got? Oh.
I just stand still.
Did you drop one there somewhere?
Who knows? God dang dog. This was a couple weeks ago. All of a sudden I think it was Gus and Harry out just running them.
Okay.
Hey, here. Yeah. Pretty soon here comes goddamn Gus. He's got to chew it up. And he didn't chew it up. Here, come. He didn't chew it up. But some varmint got a hold of a...
Oh, goodness.
Of a teal.
Yeah.
How the heck did that?
Jeepers, you look like you've been in a rodeo, Remi. You've been in a rodeo, honey.
There we go.
Rodeo dog.
Come on, let's go. All right, right in front of us.
Yep.
Get up a little higher. Oh. I'm actually keeping her a little tighter than I really want her, but here.
Well, that's all right. She's scenting it already. Awesome. Oh, wow, nice.
Easy. Gonna probably come back this way. Easy.
Yep.
Whoa. Ready?
Yep.
Whoa.
Battery.
Oh. Here, hold her back. God dang it. Just keep her back here.
Remi. Remi, here. Sit. Equipment failure can... Easy. Stay. Easy. Remi.
Damn it.
Remi! God damn it, Ed, I can't. Oh.
It's all right.
I don't have a glove. She's cutting my shit out of my hands here.
Just walk out. Just walk out.
Remi, come on over here. Come on, here.
Takes off,
Remi!
I'll
Oh, she's got you wrapped up. Remi! Here, over here. Remi! Remi! Alright.
Now we'll come by. God damn it, that was about as good as I could have gotten it for what I wanted. Like,
Well,
son of a biscuit.
she'll do it again.
Here.
She's pretty
Here,
good.
let's go up high again.
She's pretty good.
I got her to come in nice and easy.
Yeah.
Hey, bud. Now you sucker better work.
She's winding it already. A tiff of it. Alright, I'm set up whatever you, so you can do what you got.
Easy.
Nice.
Come right up here, I'm out of your way. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Easy.
Oh.
Go ahead. Get it?
Yeah, but she's got us wrapped up. Let go.
No.
Oh. It's alright. It's alright.
That's Denny, I'm trying to get it wrapped around this, and I'm trying to stop it, and I look over and your leg's coming at my head.
Well, the bird's down up there somewhere, but it's just over that little rise. She'll find it. That was a good
Oh,
that
okay.
was funny.
That's all right, we'll get it. Bring it here, girl. Oh, shit. There, she's got it.
Now what do you tell her?
Nothing.
All right, just let her figure
Bring it
it
here,
out.
Daddy. Or Daddy. Bring it here.
Remi.
Bring it here, Remi. Come on, bud. Come. Touch it up. That's about where it should have gone down.
Yeah, I think that's about where it went down.
Come on, Rem. Let's go. Oh, okay.
That's where I thought it hit, but maybe that was the feathers up there. I don't know.
Oh, I don't see any bird here. There we got it. Get it, Rem. Atta girl. Get it. Where is it? Find it. Find it. Perfect. Get it, Rem. Come on, Rem. Gotta love it. She found a bird.
Yeah.
Come.
You got it.
Right here. 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 Hold. Stop. Stop. That's not too bad.
No, use it again for one.
Whoa. 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 Ready?
Yep.
Come on, buddy. Hey, hey, walk this way. Come here, bud. Good. Atta girl, drop.
Perfect. I smoked that one, unfortunately, but